This is either gonna come out really good or like really bad.
Yeah.
Everyone, don't mind the different outfits. Don't mind Uzi barking over there. It's kind of, yeah. But anyways, here is we got the duckbill right here. We're gonna unbox this when we get back to the house, and then we're gonna go to Home Depot and grab what we need to paint match everything.
Sandpaper, primer, and that's it. Yeah,
Just
sandpaper.
wait Home Depot. Home Depot with Uzi, so he doesn't freak out. And then we're going to, what is it? Paint match ourselves. So this is how you paint match your car. We made the Home Depot, y'all. Now we're just looking for the, what are we looking for, Jan?
Sandpaper and primer.
Sandpaper and primer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, plotting this down.
Is that it? Alright. You got 2 primer, 400, 800,
1500.
1500.
And primer.
Hopefully this paint match goes good.
Yep, hopefully.
Anyways, alright guys, great success. That was about like 30 bucks to paint match. Well, not paint match, 30 bucks for the materials. So just the prep actually, and then paint match. So opposed to like maybe like a $400, $500 job, 30 bucks. Or maybe a little bit more than 30 bucks. Jan bought 2 more things. He bought 2K clear, and he also bought the paint. So it's probably around, maybe around like 60 bucks. But
600, 700?
yeah, instead of paying like 600, 700, paying like 60 bucks instead. Now we're gonna head back to the place and then start prepping the duckbill. Wow guys, we changed outfits. Wow. Anyways, now we're going to actually prep the duckbill or whatever part you want to paint match yourself. You gotta prep it. So this one we'll do first, and we're gonna show you guys how to do it.
Primer and sand the primer.
Primer, sand the primer? Okay.
Yeah. I know it comes with hardware.
Oh dude, that's... Oh, you're gonna bond these
it.
holes? It's already sanded?
Yeah.
Alright everybody, so first we're gonna have to primer the duckbill or the part you want to paint match, and then you're going to have to sand off the primer, right?
Yeah.
Primer and then sand?
Primer, sand, and then after that, the actual color you want to paint it with.
Yeah, so it goes primer, sand, the actual color you want to paint it with, and then clear coat. That's 1 layer done. This is either gonna come out really good or like really bad.
Yeah.
Alright everyone, so now after we primered it, we're now going to have to wet sand it and sand down off. We sand off all the primer. Yeah, so we sand off all the primer, then after that it's all smooth and everything. Then we go ahead and actually start paint matching the car with your paint. And our paint is going to be the same exact paint that Jan has. We just got a can that is the same color. And then we're gonna do that. Once we do that, we'll show you guys how to actually get that nice color onto the duckbill or or whatever part you want to paint match. I didn't press record. Whoa, we changed outfits again. Oh my god.
Another outfit, same day.
And it's sunny and what? Okay, anyway guys, we're actually going to spray paint the duckbill now, and we already wiped it down and everything, so, and we're just gonna spray paint that. Jan also got some eyelids. Not sure where they are, somewhere in here, but he got them for the 350. Now, it's the same exact process. We already wiped it down. We're gonna primer, wet sand the eyelids, and now we just spray paint it. Do a really thin layer first, and then it's just gonna be kind of harder layers later, but hopefully it comes out good. Okay, it's looking good from up here.
Yeah.
Just this really thin layer first, and then we do probably like 2 thin layers, and then we'll just go like harder after. Not gonna lie guys, keep in mind this is actually our first time even paint matching or even coming close to paint matching something. So if this turns out great, then well, you guys learned as well. So you guys learned something as well as us, and you guys can probably go paint match stuff yourself, and hopefully it comes out good. So if it does, we did a good job telling you guys. Yep, now we wait for the first layer to dry. Very thin layer, as you can see. Super thin. And then we're gonna do 1 more thin layer, and then we're just gonna kind of go ham on it. Alright guys, here we go. Now we're going to do a thicker layer and see if that actually brings it that color. I mean, so far it looks really good if you compare it to Jan's car. You can kind of see it's getting there. And these are only some thin layers right now. So once you get the thicker layers on, it should kind of be more matched. Keep in mind guys, this is not it too. After we throw these layers on, we're gonna throw on some 2K clear, and that should really give it that like actual like clear shine, and it should pretty much look like the color of the car. So hopefully once that 2K clear comes in and we put that on, it actually looks like perfect.
No, I think it doesn't look that bad.
Yeah, it doesn't look bad.
Damn, we should make our own paint shop.
We actually did it. No way. Look, it looks exactly the same. We should put that 2K clear on it. Oh man, that's actually really nice.
Damn.
I don't think it was gonna come out that good. It came out perfect. You can literally see it's exactly the same color.
It's literally the same.
We just need to throw that 2K clear on and then boom.
Oh, that shit done. I'm gonna let it dry here. Well, it's still wet.
Alright everybody, Alec is behind us. I'm gonna get his reaction to hearing Jan's exhaust for the first time. So
It's so fun driving this. Oh, it's loud. That is so fun. Just sending in this car. Yeah.
wow, we changed outfits again.
Yeah, man.
Oh my god.
I'm changing outfits, bro.
Dude, I don't know how it just happens, dude. And
I don't like wearing the same clothes every day.
I don't know why people don't wear the same clothes every day, but you just gotta change, man. Alright guys, now Jan got his 2K clear. Now after obviously we did the sanding, the painting, the primer, the sanding, and the painting. Now we are going to 2K clear, or put a clear coat onto the part, or the duck bill, whatever part you want to paint match, and then we're gonna install it onto the 350, and we'll see how that looks. So hopefully the end result of the 2K clear makes it look exactly like the paint on the 350 or whatever paint you want. So that's the last step, just 2K clear, and we'll see how that looks. Everybody, this is the 2K clear that we're using. 2K clear glamour, or just any clear coat. 2K clear. So. Looking really good so far. Hopefully when we put it against the car, it looks the exact same. Clear coat is making it shine a little bit more. So do a couple more coats and then see how it looks. Everybody, the eyelids are going on now, and after the clear coat, looks exactly like the paint, just as shiny. It looks wow. That's actually pretty good.
That's crazy, dog. That's crazy.
Did you wipe it yet?
Yeah.
I mean, regardless, in the end, we actually ended up paint matching our own parts, and we didn't think we would do it, but it's actually really simple. So if you learned something from this video, oh, great. Literally just primer, sand, get the paint you want, clear coat, and boom, paint match, guys.
400, 812.
That looks like, it literally looks like the paint.
Yeah, I know, that's the good
We did that shit. We did that. We did that.
We did that.
4 days. 4 days.
Fucking days for paint match.
Alright guys, duckbill is installed, and tell me what you guys think. Look at that.
Edit music.
Pretty good paint job too. Yeah, it matches.
Yep.
We did that.
Yes,
We did that,
we
Jan.
did that. All of us, bro.
We did that.
It's so much heavier. It's not holding up anymore.
Okay. Anyways, guys, 4 days. It won't take you 4 days, but it took us 4 days because we had to wait for a bunch of stuff to come in. But yeah, we actually ended up paint matching. We did a really good job, and noticed that this is our first time paint matching. So if you guys want to paint match and you guys followed this video, hopefully you guys learned something from it. And not only did we do the duck bill, we also did the eyelids here to the car and paint match those as well. Same exact process, and they came out perfectly. Like, just look, it looks exactly like the paint on the car, and we just from spray cans, guys. So if you want to paint match your own car and any part of your car, it's actually super easy and way cheaper than $800, $900, $600 at a shop. Instead, you do everything by yourself. You just take some time and some knowledge, I guess. So if you guys learned anything, please let me know. Like the video, comment, subscribe. Take one last look at this duck bill right here. Looks super nice. The paint looks exactly like the stock paint. And if you guys enjoyed the video, let me know. If you guys like Jan's new duck bill, let him know. And
give it 1 month, more stuff will come.
Yeah, 1 month for all our cars, and next stuff will come. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.